Hello, it's Ben from Crompton Partners here, and today I'm going to talk about a favorite topic of mine. It's called how leverage affects capital appreciation, and it's one of the reasons why I say a true investor never buys cash. So I'm just going to show you how this phenomenon works. So let's say, for example, you're a cash buyer, and we're using black for cash here, and you want to buy a property worth 1 million dirhams. So there's 1 million here, it's 100% cash. You hold it over whatever specified time we're talking about here. It doesn't really matter what. But for ease of the example, let's say it doubles over that time. So we've got 2 million cash, you sell the unit, you've made 2 million, you've made 100% on the money that you invested. Not a bad return. Now let's say that instead of buying the unit cash, you buy 3 units using 20%, 40% and 40% as your deposits, and then we're using blue here for finance. So then you take 80% finance, 60 and 60 as it occurs in the UAE. So now you've got 3 units and you've used your 1 million cash to buy all 3. Let's say we hold it over the same period of time, and let's say each one of these units then doubles in value. So you can see here, I've got the 20%, 80% here, and I've got the doubling value over top here. This unit is now worth 2 million, and the same for these other 3 units. So now I've got 3 units, and they're each worth 2 million. I'm gonna sell them all, so I'm gonna make 6 million on selling them. I've got the 2 million that I borrowed here, and it's still here, to repay to the bank. And after I've repaid that bank, I am left with 4 million dirhams, 300% profit. As opposed to if I bought with cash up here, I'd be on 100% profit. Now, you're going to say, well, you've got bank repayments to make. That's absolutely true. It's probably not going to total 2 million dirhams though. And with the 3 units, you're going to make more in terms of rent to repay those bank repayments. I'll do another video on how that actually works. But this phenomenon is based on the fact that when the bank lends you money, it doesn't participate in the increase in the property value. You get all of this increase in the property value here. The amount that you owe the bank doesn't change. Now, it's a phenomenon that not a lot of people know about. Several do. It's a staple of the private equity industry. But if you're an investor and you're investing because you want capital appreciation, it would pay for you to use finance instead of cash.